The headline news for the new RS4 is that the V8 is out, having been replaced by a much lighter V6. This 2.9-litre twin-turbo is good for 450 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque, as well as some noise as long as you spec the Sport exhaust. The clever Sport differential comes standard, with the Quattro system sending 60% of the power to the rear in normal conditions. It runs to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds, in a car that's as practical as a mid-sized wagon can get. Having a longer wheelbase than the RS5 means the RS4 Avant is both livelier out of the corners and more comfortable as a straight-line missile. With a claimed curb weight of 3946 pounds, the RS4 is still far from being light, but Audi managed to lose 176 pounds. Compared to the previous generation, 68 of which is gone from the front. That's a noticeable change, since Audi's engines are still ahead of the front axle, and they're every little. Add the milled aluminium wheels to save another 4.4 pounds of unsprung weight per wheel, forget the optional dynamic steering system, and have a blast in a car that's grey when you need a daily driver, and nardo grey when you suddenly find a bit of good road.